Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about Gluco Care. We at Canal DAEC Reviews have prepared a comprehensive review video with everything you need to know before buying Gluco Care. The first thing you need to know about Gluco Care is be careful with the website you're going to purchase Gluco Care from because Gluco Care is only sold on the official website. To assist you, I've left the link to the official site below in the description of this video. So what is Gluco Care and does it really work? And the answer is yes. Gluco Care does work, and after many laboratory tests, researchers have identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will bring great results. For centuries, cinnamon has been revered as a valuable spice with healing properties, while Chinese medicine considers it a fundamental component for promoting blood health. New research highlights cinnamon's potential to rejuvenate damaged pancreatic islet cells and help regulate blood sugar levels with just a pinch. Additionally, alpha-lipoic acid, a powerful antioxidant, acts as a protector of the islet cells, maintaining their insulin sensitivity and shielding them from harmful inflammations. Banana leaf, on the other hand, contains corosolic acid, which assists in sugar absorption after meals, offering an additional protective layer for the islet cells. The synergy of these promising cell-revitalizing ingredients proves to be a remarkable opportunity to improve overall health. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Gluco Care, including numerous customer testimonials on the official website. However, you need to keep in mind that every body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually try Gluco Care for 180 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they'll refund your money. So feel safe to use Gluco Care, but make sure you're buying from the official website to ensure the benefits of the guarantee. Furthermore, for Gluco Care to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day. Just one capsule of Gluco Care daily with a glass of water is enough to start your journey towards balancing blood sugar and a healthier life. It's a simple step towards a brighter and vibrant future. Otherwise, you won't see significant results and you'll actually become a bit frustrated. You may see initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 2 to 3 months of using this product due to its gradual effect. Also important for you to know, Gluco Care has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, firstly to warn you to be careful with the website you're going to purchase Gluco Care from, and also, if you buy the product, to follow the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else's because your body reacts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you and also hope that Gluco Care really helps to improve your life significantly and many other benefits that this product promotes. Remembering that the official website of the product is located in the link in the description. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel and leave your like. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.